Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can withdraw money from stake to Binance. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So what you're going to be doing is, first thing, you're going to open up your stake on your browser, type in stake.com and get into the official website. Then go ahead, get signed in. Then go to the wallet section where you will tap on this option of a withdrawal. Afterwards, go ahead, choose your currency as USDT and enter the amount how much you would like to transfer. Afterwards, you're going to go ahead, open up your Binance app right over here. Then you're gonna go ahead, go to the wallet section and gonna choose the USDT. You're gonna choose your currency to copy the receiving address for it. Go ahead, copy the wallet address for your USDT, and you're going to go back to the stake and you're going to paste the particular address that you copied. Once you have done that, you will be able to recheck everything, tap on the confirm withdrawal, and your withdrawal will be successful. That's how you have simply withdrawn money from your stake to Binance. Later on in the Binance, you can go ahead, sell it to convert it to the money right away. So that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.